Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate recurring transfers with Chase Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To activate recurring transfers with Chase Bank, first, sign in to your Chase online banking account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section in the main menu. Select Transfer Money from the drop-down options. On the transfer page, choose the account you wish to transfer funds from. Next, select the account you want to transfer funds to. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Look for the Repeat this transfer option and click on it. Choose the frequency of the transfer, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Select the start date for your recurring transfer. If desired, specify an end date for the transfers or choose no end date. Review the summary of your transfer details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to activate your recurring transfers. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your transfers have been successfully set up. To view or edit your recurring transfers, return to the Payments section. Locate Manage Recurring Transfers to access your existing transfers. Here, you can modify the frequency, amount, or cancel the transfer if needed. Always remember to save any changes you make before exiting the page. That completes the process of activating recurring transfers with Chase Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.